job is Director of Enterprise Applications for Grable Companies. I'm a long-time Dynamics User Group community member and end user of Microsoft applications, but earlier in 2025 I stepped up to be a leader in the Dynamics User Group for Colorado. What I can say here is this community has provided me with multiple opportunities to meet and collaborate with some of the smartest people in this space. And this goes back years. It's not just over the past couple of years that this has happened. I've been in the community for a long time. It's given me confidence in my own ability. It's helped me grow professionally and personally. And it's provided me with opportunity to also give back to the community in many ways. Am I allowed to say free consultancy here? Because that's a big part of what this is. Being connected with some of the brightest minds in this space and being able to chat with them about live issues that our company is facing, it's been priceless and it's really been beneficial. We have taken so many learnings from the community and applied it internally to make our company more successful. Grable has actually hosted an event too, which was really cool and allowed us to show some of the work that we've done with these tools and help other people to realize that you can utilize a lot of these tools together to come up with substantial business process improvements. My advice would be get involved, don't be shy. One of the big things and one of the benefits that I see in here is this tremendous support from numerous people from all walks of life, all at different stages. You go from beginner level to super advanced level, but everyone is there to support you. The camaraderie that we see in the group is great as well. We work hard, but we have a lot of laughter amongst all that as well, a lot of fun. My personal experience is the more you give in these events, the more you get out of it. So my recommendation again would be share your experiences, share the issues that you run into, share where you've had success. Everybody is there to help. Everybody is there to support you. Everybody's there to learn. Everybody is there to get better. And collectively, the more, again, you put into this, the more everybody benefits from it. And you may find actually that you joining the community, you can offer advice to people who really need it. And that gives you a sense of accomplishment as well. This one's an interesting one because in Colorado, we are very fortunate to have such a strong network of technology partners, many MVPs, a number of end users who are particularly strong and have great knowledge. So we benefit from that greatly, of course. But it goes beyond that. The community is growing all the time. At the last DynamicsCon, got the opportunity to meet so many people that are outside of Colorado, and everybody just has wonderful stories to tell, is there to offer advice, and just there to help. So very fortunate to have met so many people. A lot of people that I've met through this Dynamics user group I can now call friends. But as I mentioned earlier, a lot of it is also, you just get so much advice and so much support, and everyone's in the same boat. Everyone wants the best for each other. So it's a wonderful experience. So in summary, Dynamics user group for me is a superb community to get involved in. Just ask yourself, when was the last time you walked away from an event with a new friend and a tip that saved you hours? So I'd appreciate if you come and join us and come and find out what it's really like. We would love to welcome you to our DUG community. I promise you will grow professionally, help your company solve issues, and make some cool new friends along the way as well. So with that, I look forward to seeing you all in the future, and thank you very much.